Alright. So, look to me.
Look at you. Okay.
Look here.
Yeah.
Alright, so tell me who you are.
Tatiana Mariesa, actress. That's what I do.
And what are you doing here in Hollywood?
What am I doing here? Lots of things. Oh my gosh, everybody does everything here. They're like, if you meet somebody, they always say, oh yeah, I'm an actress, I'm a model, and I sing / waitress / promo model / so I try to narrow it down. Actress, model, that's what I do.
How long have you been modeling?
Oh. After a while, yeah, I just play tricks on you.
You look good.
Thanks.
This lens looks pretty good. I'm happy.
So Sony does the cut?
No, it's not the size. Okay, do that same thing. Don't laugh. And do not have fun whatsoever. Not do the side to side. Cool.